I'm going to quickly show you how to properly format your document according to MLA standards. Unless your professor specifically informs otherwise, you will need to follow this format in all of your classes from now on. Once you set up these options, you can save them as your default settings, and you will no longer need to select these options each time you open Microsoft Word. Again, your word processing program may be different than mine, so you may need to look in different locations to find these options. To begin, you will want to address the font. MLA requires that you use Times New Roman 12-point font. Since I have already completed my essay, I will need to select all of my text by selecting Ctrl-A and then selecting Times New Roman and 12. Next, I will need to adjust my margins. MLA requires that all 4 margins be set at 1 inch. By selecting Page Layout and then Margins, I can easily adjust my margins to the proper setting. I will also need to confirm that my paragraphs are aligned left, rather than justified, as they are now. I can easily fix this by selecting the Align Text Left button here. Then I will need to adjust my paragraph settings. By selecting Paragraphs, I open a box that allows me to fix the spacing. All numbers need to be set to 0. My paragraphs must be double-spaced. And I need to select the box that eliminates extra spaces between paragraphs. It is important that you make these changes. When I grade your drafts, I fix the formatting in your document. If you do not meet the minimum page requirement when your document is properly formatted, you will not be eligible to earn full points. By having larger margins, extra spacing, or a larger font, your essay will appear to be longer than it actually is when properly formatted. We also should address the heading. The first page of all documents must have a proper MLA heading. This includes your last name, your first name, the professor's name, class, and date in the European style. You also need to have your last name and page number in the top header of every page. You can add this by double-clicking the header, select Page Number, and then add your last name. Finally, we need to address the title. All work should have a title. For your essay drafts, you want to have a creative title that reflects the information within your essay. Do not write Draft 1, Helicopter Parents, or any other standard title. Create something unique. A title is simply centered. It is not in bold, it is not underlined, it is not in italics, it is not in quotes, or any other distinguishing marks. There are no extra spaces. It is simply centered. For more information on how to format according to MLA standards, please visit OWL, O-W-L, at Purdue. A link has been provided on our Blackboard site.